Before I started teaching the course on environmental economics and environmental impact assessment, in my first lecture on April 6, 2021, I wanted to know the perception of the students on the five most important environmental problems that the world is facing now. I asked 93 students to form 11 groups and discuss among themselves on this issue and finally list out only five problems in the order of priority. Let us listen to the views of the students.
I think it is climate change and global warming.
And
That is the first
followed by
Then we have waste disposal. Then fall of the water table and water management. Ozone layer depletion. And the fifth one is loss of biodiversity due to human activities.
First one is climate change, global warming. The second one is inappropriate disposal of non-degradable wastes.
okay.
Third one is depletion of non-renewable resources. Fourth is epidemics, and fifth is loss of biodiversity.
Biomedical waste that is caused due to pandemic now.
Okay.
We have many that leads to plastic pollution even, and plastic pollution leads to water pollution, air pollution due to burning of the plastics, and lot of things. And that leads to aquatic depopulation, which cause marine life loss.
Second problem,
I think global warming and climate change.
global warming. And third,
Then third is biodiversity loss
and
due
fourth,
to forest fire.
fourth one,
And fourth one, this agricultural problem.
and fifth,
Plastic pollution that I have.
Pollution and inefficient waste.
which pollution you are talking about?
All kinds of pollution. Like,
Okay.
we can also link it to environmental, economic development. Like when industries produce
Okay.
different things, they generate a lot of waste. And for packaging, they use a lot of plastic. We can take the example of our own college where now we are getting the food in the plastic packaging.
Right.
So and for waste management, we have very inefficient waste management.
Second most important problem,
Overpopulation,
overpopulation. Third,
depletion of natural resources,
natural resources. Fourth
global warming and climate change,
and fifth,
habitat loss and species endangerment.
okay,
Water scarcity.
water scarcity. Okay. And then second one,
Second one is air pollution.
third one is
Third one is agribusiness.
business. Fourth one
Soil degradation.
and fifth one,
Rapid waste accumulation.
accumulation. Okay. I mean, what is agribusiness?
Agribusiness that initially we have something called agriculture where we cared for the plants as well as the ecosystem. Now
Okay.
we're only caring for the profits itself.
Okay. Okay. Right.
And while
That's why
caring-
there is no lot of soil pollution, water pollution, because due to agribusiness.
Yes.
Okay. So basically, you meant
agribusiness contributes up to 20% of the global emissions, carbon emissions.
okay. Okay.
Agriculture was more.
So commercialization of agriculture is causing all this problem.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah. Okay. Because agribusiness is different. So you mean that it is commercialization of agriculture or intensification of agriculture is basically causing this problem. Global warming. Okay. Second one is
Non-biodegradable waste like
plastic.
synthetic
Okay.
material,
Okay. Then third one.
electronic and nuclear waste,
Okay. Fourth,
food and water insecurity,
food and
water insecurity,
one insecurity. And fifth,
deforestation and soil exploitation.
deforestation and soil exploitation. Okay.
Climate change,
Climate change.
and inside the climate change we can see the glacier melting, the forest fire, and ozone layer depletion and all those things. Currently we have seen in Odisha and in West Bengal there are the events of forest fire. And in previous year there was Amazon forest fire and forest fire in Australia.
Okay. So when you say climate change, it includes so many things.
We're including that thing. Also the glacier thing is in Uttarakhand there was the Hadpa.
Okay.
That,
And then second one.
then second one is deforestation and imbalance of ecosystem. Here
Okay.
we are telling about the deforestation due to the industrialization or urbanization part, and also the palm oil plantation.
Okay.
For now the palm oil is the cheapest thing, and that's why many people are cutting a forest and making their farming.
Right.
So that was the thing. Second.
And third one.
And also there we will include illegal pet trade, and this illegal pet trade impacting deforestation and imbalance in ecosystem in the ocean. Like as example in America they are taking Burmese python, and Burmese python are eating up all their all their
And
animals.
in illegal pet trade, we have the recent example of coronavirus.
Okay.
how it transferred from Pangolian and bat.
Okay.
That is all.
Palm oil plantation also other than that we have intensive farming. In this for making more farming we usually do the cutting of the forest in order to grow more and more crops.
Okay.
Now our fourth point is third point is water crisis.
Okay.
Now water crisis is a big issue in mostly
That I understand.
Odisha
Then,
and all over the world.
And then
like,
fourth one?
Fourth one is waste disposal.
Okay.
Waste disposal we can
It includes all kind of waste.
all kinds of waste.
Biomedical.
And we
Right.
saw the Delhi there was a dam, means a hill
Right.
out of waste.
And then fifth one?
The management system is also not good because the waste disposal, the major role is
Segregation.
for the,
Segregation,
and the
disposal,
management of the waste,
yes.
also for the sewage treatment. That
Right.
also includes, so, which is a major problem.
And then fifth one?
And fifth one is soil quality degradation. And this soil quality degradation is happening because of only intensive farming. People
Right.
are farming
And then excessive use of pesticides,
Pesticide, chemical
and
fertilizer.
chemical fertilizer. That's
One more point is
there is overgrazing. They are grazing in the, many animals, pet animals in the fields, and that's why the quality of the field is.
We are also planning to include due to astronomical events, what are the changes that are occurring in Earth? Like the solar flares are causing the glaciers to melt and all this stuff.
In the group, I think overpopulation is the most important the environmental issue right now because of overpopulation we are experiencing overexploitation of resources, mostly including natural resources overexploitation and then deforestation because we need more woods. And then the problem with overexploitation is that it leads to a loss. If the waste management after the exploiting of the resources is not properly done, it leads to causes of lots of pollution and things like that, which leads to global warming and which directly result to climate change, and it leads to problems like some of the problems which
Yeah, so all problems are linked to basically overpopulation. We are too many on this planet. Then second?
So our second most important was loss of biodiversity.
Third?
So third was pollution.
Pollution. Fourth one is global warming.
And fifth was improper waste management.
Improper waste management.
Most important is environmental impact brought by usage of thermal energy.
Okay.
That's the first one.
Second?
The second one is carbon footprint and resources requirement of meat consumption.
Okay.
Meat. Yes, and the third is environmental consequences of technological industries.
So, elaborating on that, firstly there's the disposal of e-waste, and secondly it's heavy metal mining brought about by the tech industry because that inherently requires heavy metal.
And then fourth one?
Fourth is the near extinction of honeybees and other bee-like species, and its
Loss of biodiversity.
loss of biodiversity. More importantly, the ecological
Imbalance.
imbalance and the lack
Loss of
bees.
species. Loss of species. Okay.
And the fifth would be degradation of soil food.
Degradation. Pollution. Then second?
Climate change.
Climate change. Third?
Ozone depletion.
Fourth?
Habitat fragmentation.
Fifth?
Biomagnification.
Okay.
For us, the most important problem is biomagnification.
Second?
Second is increase in the carbon footprint.
Third?
Third is rise of biomedical waste
Fourth?
due to COVID-19. Fourth is increase the amount of network trafficking.
And fifth?
Fifth is excessive exploitation of mining resources.
Okay.